Just a few reasons why we know you're gonna love this album kit. It's easy to create, and you get to create some interactive pages that you can reuse this technique on your other card making and album making projects. We get to create a lot of photo spaces without adding a lot of bulk, and it's a relaxing and creative escape creating along with our project sheets. Hi everyone, it's Charee from Graphic 45, and today we're taking the scenic route with our new album kit. Before we dive into the kit unveiling and the complete album and box walkthrough, let me know in the comments, how are you going to use this kit? Are you using this for travel photos like it says here, or summer memories, or something else? So let's open up this album kit. You're going to get this plastic bag that stores all of your products in, a project sheet with step-by-step directions, including colored photos. This project was created by Carla Lavera, and she always does such a magical job. And then you can see here at the end of the project sheet, it's got all of your cutting guides. So if you are like me and you like to cut your papers before you get started, that's all ready for you there, making creating this project even simpler. We've got the black ATC album with Matchbook Box. So this is perfect because your box is already created, your album's created, it comes with tags and pocket pages. So all you've got to do is cut those papers and adhere those embellishments. We've got the rub-on transfer set. Here you get 2 sheets along with a popsicle stick to rub them onto your pages. The Scenic Route Ephemera assortment. And here you get 69 assorted pieces of all different sizes. And of course, the Graphic 45 12x12 collection pack of Scenic Route. Here you get 8 decorative papers, 4 patterns and solids, and you get 2 of each of those designs. This kit is now available on our website at g45papers.com, as well as at your local store. Let's start with this box. You can see it's a nice sliding matchbook box style. Matchbox style? There we go. And it has a nice deep drawer, so it's perfect for fitting in our album. But you can also throw in trinkets, other memorabilia from your travels. You can see we have decorated the inside with the same stripe paper that we have on the outside, giving it that nice cohesive look. And then we have these gorgeous citrus paper on the outside as well, some gorgeous blossoms. And then one of my favorite tips here is to use some foam adhesive with those embellishments. That just creates the extra dimension and life bringing this together. Now, this album is mini but mighty and really packs a punch. Best day ever popped up sentiment on our front. Take the scenic route. Some gorgeous elements and designs at play here. And this album, like we said earlier, is already put together. So all you have to do is cut those papers and add your embellishments. Not all who wander are lost. And that's a great little photo mat space. And then pop this open and you've got 2 more spots for photos here. We love how Carla has put this together, decorated those tags with the backside of those journaling cards, used some nice borders here to really seal this off. And then that cohesive feel of this all blending together, it has that nice serene feeling while you're flipping through this. And then Carla has used the patterns and solids to create these photo booklets, and the rub-ons really just take these to the next level. Those slide in these side loading pockets here. And we've got another page here. So orange here, orange here. So it's really pulling it all together. Another great spot for a photo, another tag. And then we've got our orange papers here. This is using that layout paper, and you can see just cutting it into bits really does wonders, and it looks so great. Next up, we've got our celebrate page using that ephemera and this great pocket that goes from side to side. This nice little orange journaling card and our stripes here as well. To bring in the orange, we've got this orange wallet photo journal with the I love you rub-on. Destination happiness. So I'm loving Scenic Route. We hope you are too as well. We know it's been flying off the shelves at our local G45 retailers. Of course, you could use it for travel, but we'd love to hear how you're going to be using these papers as well. Travel far and wide. Yeah, so if you're not using it for travel, just use a different sentiment there. It would be a fun little summer album, a gardening or a cooking album. Even a journal. You can see Amy and Diane, my mom, went on a Mediterranean trip recently, and that's where they got the inspiration for this gorgeous collection. And I'm glad that they made the journey so we could all travel with them through these papers. I just love these tiles. You can see they go from side to side, and that blue lemon paper is so pretty. And then here again, we've got the yellows. And again, bringing in that same design with the mosaic tiles, the lemons. It also makes cutting and putting together your albums so much easier when creating like this in blocks. And then a great spot right here for one last photo. Now let's talk about how you can get your hands on that kit. So like I said earlier, you can go to our website at g45papers.com and you can pick up the kit where you'll get all of the goodies you need to create this album and box. You can also become a subscriber where you'll get a lot of fun different perks, including albums. This one was our last album, so you'll get all the future albums when you become a subscriber. And so you can create along with us, learning new techniques, using new surfaces and paper collections. We're always staying current with the trends to bring you the latest and greatest in paper crafting. Of course, you also get 10% off your future Graphic 45 purchases, and you can cancel anytime. So we want to hear from you. Do you like the album or the box more? Do you love the combination of both? And if you're looking for more great inspirational videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you know whenever we upload a new project like this one. We thank you for joining us, and as always, happy paper crafting.